Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail notification on Android device. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to receive Gmail notification on your Android device, then here are some fixes you could try out. First, check your in-app notification setting and your system setting. Open up your Gmail application from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged in. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner from your home page of Gmail and scroll down and tap Settings. Choose General Settings from the list and tap on Manage Notifications. Ensure that the Show Notification option is enabled. Ensure that every other button is enabled as well from this option. Also, make sure that the mail option right under your Gmail account is enabled as well. Once you do that, you can now go back and you'll be able to receive notifications from Gmail from now onward. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to tap open your hamburger menu from the main homepage of Gmail again. From the menu displayed, tap Settings, tap on your email address from the list and tap on Manage Labels. Select any mail type you want to change and tap on Sync Messages. Choose Last 30 days from the options and once you make this change, you might be able to resolve the issue. If that still does not work, then the next thing to do is to check your time and date setting. Open up Settings from your Android device and from the Settings menu, select General Management, tap on Date and Time and ensure that you've enabled the automatic date and time option. Keeping your date and time accurate might be able to solve your issue. So once you've made this change, go back and tap open your Gmail app and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to receive Gmail notification on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.